Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and following all the protocols during this pandemic. I am Rashika Kapoor, your coding instructor. Before starting with this class, I would like to give you a brief about what you will be learning today. Today you will be learning the first chapter, that is the basics of the web, that comes under web development. Now, before starting with it, we should know that before starting with HTML or before starting to learn how to create a website, it is very important for you to clear with the concepts of the web. Now, starting with the web, of course, the first topic should be internet. What is internet? Have we ever given a thought about it? We'll learn in today's class. It's like you use the computer and I use the computer. There are billions of people all over the world that use computer. All of these computers are connected in a network that is used to share useful information and resources. In other words, internet is basically a vast collection of computers that are connected in a network that is used to share useful information and resources. Now, why do we use internet? How do we use internet? Where do we use internet? The first question is the applications of the internet. Internet is basically used to send emails. Internet is used to chat with people. Internet is used to play games, right? But what is that one thing that we do the most on the internet? We search on Google, right? But have you ever wondered that who answers all of your questions when you ask something from Google? Have you ever had this thought come across your mind someday or sometime? Right? So we'll discuss this. Now, as soon as you ask a question, there are certain documents. You can see that there are a list of documents or files or pages or website that have answered to all of your questions. So how do you upload? Who uploads this? The people. The people creates and share the information to the people connected on internet. Now, let's recall the detailed definition of internet. Internet is a vast collection of computers that are connected in a network that is used to share useful information and resources. So people like you and me share internet information and useful resources in the internet that can be used to help other people. Okay. The next slide is, this is called World Wide Web. World Wide Web or WWW is basically a collection of billions of web pages that can be viewed with the help of a web browser. Don't worry, the terms such as web browser, you will get everything as before this presentation ends. World Wide Web is not the internet. It is the part of the internet. Students, there is a lot of difference when you say something, this is the internet and this is the part of the internet. Internet is a huge network, okay? So web basically displays the web pages. All of these separate web pages are grouped to form a website. Clear? Moving on to the next topic, how does the World Wide Web works? This question also comes in the mind. Students, we try to cover all of those questions in the presentations that comes across a student's mind that sometimes a student hesitates to ask, right? So how does it work? So students, whatever websites are made, these are available to you through links. Okay, these websites are available to you through links. So whenever you search something on Google, okay, so you can see that there is a list of the relatable results, right? There is a list of the relatable results. Those links actually connect you to the web page. Those links connect you to the actual websites that contains the web pages that can answer to all of your questions. Is it clear? All of these websites are available to you through links. Okay, so whenever you type something on the search bar and you search it, you can see that there are a list of relatable links that connect you to the website that will lead you to actually what is the answer to your question. Now, as you can see in the image given, a student, a user has typed arcade themes and searched on Google. Okay, so the first thing he sees, it is arcade premium big cartel themes and services. This is the title. This is the title of the website. You can say as it is the title. Below that, arcadethemes.com is the URL of the website. And because it is very important for the user, user to know that what is actually in the website in a short description, right? So it is the description below the URL. We can see the description of the website. And do arcades, big cartel, uptown. Now suppose user wants to go to the uptown link. Why do he have to open all the website, open the website and then go for it and then search for it? These are the site links that can link directly the user to that particular web page. Okay, good. The next is, what exactly is Google? What exactly is Google? I told you, we search everything on Google, we search everything on internet, but we never give it a thought that what actually is Google. Now, Google is also just like website, but Google is a special type of website that is called the search engine. Here comes a new word. We learn more about it. Search engine is basically a software that allows you to do web searches, that allows you to do web searches in a proper systematic way, in a very easy way. Now, because Google searches all of your answers to your questions on the internet, it shows you the result that relates most to this question you have searched for. Search engine, let me come again. Search engine is basically a special software that is used for web pages, that is used for web searches actually, that is used for web searches. These web searches are conducted in a very proper and a systematic way. Now, before, if you learn about Google, that what is it, we should know that who actually founded it and when it was found, right? It was found in 4th of September. It was found on 4th of September 1998. It was found on 4th of September 1998, right? This Google is initially founded on 4th of September 1998. Understood? Now, as you have learned about what Google is a search engine. I've told you, I've given you the definition about what actually is a search engine. Can you tell me about more of the search engines with the definition I've told you? Try. At the end, obviously, I will tell you because I'm here to help you at any point of time. Okay. So search engine basically helps us to do web searches, right? So what else can help you to do web searches in a very proper systematic way? Yahoo, obviously, Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Baidu, Yandex, Ask.com. These are the 6 search engines that are used, that are the most popular 6 search engines. Okay. Now then, if Google allows us to search everything, then what actually is a browser? In a layman's language, can you tell me what actually browser is? Haven't you heard your parents or your friends or your teachers say that while you're surfing on internet or while you're browsing on internet, you need to browse it on internet or you need to surf it on internet? Haven't you? Yes. So browser is basically a software that allows you to view websites. Browser is basically a software that allows you to view websites and web pages. The browser helps you to surf the web. Okay. So now whenever you click on any link that a search engine displays you, whenever you click or enter any link in the browser, that particular link acts as an address to the computer that has shared the website. That particular link acts as an address to the computer that has shared the website. Now the browser then finds and requests the computer to display that particular page on a computer screen. So browser allows you to view websites and web pages, right? Now, example of some of the browsers are Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, because Chrome allows you to visit web pages, right? We search something on Chrome and then you can see there are n number of links, n number of web pages, right? So you click on them, so Chrome directly allows you to go to that web page. That is the end of the presentation. Students, if you have any doubt regarding this presentation, we'll learn. You can ask me in the next class. And we'll be covering the next topic in the next class, that is Introduction to HTML. Thank you so much. Now I am ending the lecture.